When it comes to keeping a wastewater system running right, there's more than one way to get the job done. Two of the most common treatment methods are solid treatment blocks and liquid treatments delivered through a pump. Both can control odor, break down buildup, and keep your system healthier for longer, but they work in different ways. Treatment blocks are hung so they're in the path of the wastewater flow. As water moves past, the block slowly dissolves, releasing the right chemistry a little at a time. That steady release keeps treatment going 24/7 with minimal upkeep. They're a great choice if you have no utilities to use a pump and provide consistent use with little to no maintenance. Liquid treatments are pumped into the system on a schedule or as needed. This method lets you control exactly how much product goes in and when, so you can adjust for seasonal changes, heavy use, or specific problem spots. It's a flexible, targeted approach that works well if you want more control over your dosing. So comparing the two, blocks give you a continuous coverage with very little hands-on work, but you can't change the release rate. Liquids give you full control over the dose, but they need a pump system and a bit more attention. Which one's right for you depends on your setup, your maintenance routine, and your goals. State Industrial Products can help you figure out which approach is the best fit, whether you need the steady reliability of a treatment block or the flexibility of a liquid pump program. Visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get started on the path towards worry-free wastewater control.